Hello everyone, this is Quita with the Quitassential Life, and I have an e.l.f. makeup haul I want to share with you. We're going to go through what I got in my box. I'm excited, and do some swatching. Okay, taking out the stuffing. And the first thing up is a dual-ended lipstick that has a night and day. This one is called For the Nudes. Am I right? Let me check. Needed Nudes. It has a day and a night, and I'm swatching for you to see the day and night color. Nice pigment, love that. I bought 2 of them, so. And I have a makeup sponge here. I love this sponge because it has the pointy tip at both ends, so you can, you see how spongy it is. So that's cool. This is some brown stardust glitter. I love the color. It is relatively big chunks of glitter. You can do lots of things with that. So cool. I'm putting a little bit of it on my cheek just to see how I might want to work with that and give you a little look at what it might look like. Zooming in so you can see the little bit of glitter going on there. This is e.l.f.'s glitter, liquid glitter eyeshadow in Disco Queen. It's a silvery color. Love it. Look at that. It has some prism going on, so it moves with the light, but that's some pretty decent pigment going on there. Really like that. Then we have the foundation palette in Deep. I actually got this to use more like contour. So I want to swatch the colors that are in here. So the top 2, it looks orange on camera, but it's really more like a lighter brown or medium brown and a dark brown. And then the bottom 2 are really close in color. I mean, this just maybe a shade off, but those are the darker colors. And I want to use that for contour. So this is the metallic lip crayon in magnetic mauve. I'm trying to get it, having a hard time showing it to you. So I said, let me just put it on my lips so you can see the fabulousness of magnetic mauve metallic lip crayon from e.l.f. I love the color. It's very moisturizing. It really feels good. So this is just a makeup brush. It's a stippling brush. If you see, I was trying to show you that it says airbrush stipple on the actual clear part of the handle. And if you look at the top of the bristles, there are some bristles sticking up. It feels very good and soft on the face. This is the Luminous blush in Brilliant Mauve. I really did like the color. It doesn't show up well in swatching, but when you see it, you get more of that pigment that you saw. This is the lipstick duo Night and Day in pink. Love the pink color. This is I Love Pink's lipstick duo, Day to Night. And you see I'm swatching the one pink. Do you see how beautiful the pink is? Love it. So next is the No Budge retractable eyeliner in black. It is waterproof. Swatching that, it has a good pigment. And then I have my staple here, Prime and Stay Finishing Powder. I use it for pretty much everything. Then we have our Ultra Eyebrow Pencil, and it does have a spoolie at the bottom. I'm trying to get the camera to focus, and it is not cooperating, so you can't see what's on there. However, this is the brow pencil, and I'm swatching that for you. That's in Auburn. See that nice color? Next is another liquid eyeshadow This is in 24 karat gold. Swatching that for you, and OMG, this is fabulous. Okay, do you see the prisms and the different colors? Even though you're mostly getting gold here, how it plays off the light, love that. Then we have the Stardust Gold Eyeliner, and it looks like sort of copper, but it's very nice for color, pop of color when you want to do something extra with your eyeliner. And this is some BB cream that e.l.f. has, and I'm trying to swatch it. I'm massaging the tube because you know how that stuff is when it stays for a while. You need to mix it up. Getting some out and swatching it on my hand first. And it really does look light. It does seem to have some cool tones, and I'm a warm tone. But trying to look at it, it doesn't look like a very good match right there, but I'm going to try it on my face. And just, you know, with my hands, it does give some halfway decent coverage, and yeah, I can work with that blending wise. Okay. Now we have e.l.f. a dual lip, a matte lip color in a neutral, and then a prism color to go on top. So this is the matte, sort of a nude mauve color, and then this is the shine prism color that came in the same box, and I'm going to add that prism color on top of the matte so you can see how that works together. Look at that. That's nice. Both of them are nice by themselves, but together they work very well. Then I got just a white box in there, and I didn't know what it was, and it happened to be a bite-sized brow palette with all a wax and other brow colors to do your brows. So that's a little surprise. And then we have our e.l.f. couple samples they put in there for daily cleansing and moisturizing. And that's it. Thank you so much for joining me. You see all my swatches. I appreciate you coming and visiting my channel. Be well, be safe, be blessed. Thank you.